Creating a portfolio using Wix is an excellent way to showcase your work. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up or log in. Log into your Wix account or sign up if you don't have one. Choose a template. Browse through Wix's portfolio templates or search for portfolio in the template gallery. Select a template that suits your style and work. Customize your design. Enter the Wix editor. Customize the template by adding your content. Upload images, videos, and text that highlight your portfolio pieces. Edit fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layouts to personalize the design to reflect your style. Create sections for different works. Organize your work into different sections or categories. For instance, if you're a photographer, you might have sections for portraits, landscapes, etc. Use Wix's gallery and slideshow features to showcase your work effectively. Add About Me and Contact sections. Include an About Me page to introduce yourself and your creative journey. Add a contact section or form to allow potential clients or collaborators to get in touch easily. Mobile optimization. Ensure your portfolio looks great on mobile devices. Use Wix's mobile editor to adjust elements for mobile viewing. Preview and test. Preview your portfolio to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Test on different devices for responsiveness. Connect a domain and publish. Connect your domain name or use a Wix subdomain. Click Publish to make your portfolio live and accessible to visitors.